I'm ready for 10 rounds. I said, whoever will be champion, I'm gonna face him next. And I'm just gonna fight. I've been calling Sean O'Malley since 2018. I was just calling him, but now whoever will be champion, I don't care. I just love fight, but my only goal is for title now. Remember you asked me, Arjo was next to me, and then big respect Joe Rogan, but he's my brother, like nobody sent us contract. I love him, of course I don't want to fight him, but if UFC sent us contract, maybe we'll fight, but I love UFC, It was so many champions that time. But hey, also one more thing, all the Georgians who came here, look at all the flags, all the support, thank you, Zaza, I love you, Zaza, thank you, brother. Thank you so much for, and then everybody, and then I know, I believe Ilya Topuria will be champion tonight, and he will beat my favorite fighter. Alex Volkanovski is my favorite fighter, but Ilya is my brother. I believe in him. He's working so hard. Good luck, Ilya. You got it, brother.
Merab, enjoy your victory, sir. It was beautiful to watch. Congratulations. Merab Двалишвили, ladies and gentlemen.